Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brenke. Today I'm going to be doing a cold start on the GMC Sierra. Before we get started, make sure you check out our new store for all the latest merchandise from the Garage USA, including some items that are available for a limited time. Not only do they look great, it also helps support the channel. Now back to the video. Thanks for joining me. So it's been a while since I actually started the truck up. We're going to go outside and fire up that GMC Sierra, do a little cold start, see how she does. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, well, she's actually dead. Alright, well I guess I gotta charge up the battery. Speedometer's not lighting up. Get some heat going. Well, it's definitely a cold start. It's warming up now a little bit, and yeah, I gotta make sure that I start this up from time to time, make sure she stays running all winter. I might have to drive it next week to work, so it's just something I gotta do. And got a lot more stuff coming up. Hopefully next week I've got some videos coming up that will have ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brenke, and I'll see you next time.